who are you?
I'm Judge Wiggins. I'm the judge of the 84th District Court. I have a name on paper. I just want to confirm it's you. So who is your name?
You asked me what is my name.
Yes, what is your name?
You're under investigation.
That's what, I'm sorry?
You're under investigation for saying what is my name. You don't know who I am since I've been here?
Are you Yuri Alexikov?
That is he.
That is you?
That is me, yeah.
Right away, this exchange raises a red flag for court. The judge isn't playing word games. Identity confirmation is a procedural necessity. When a defendant refuses to clearly identify themselves, judges often interpret it as either obstruction or potential competency concern. And notice how calm the judge stays here. That's intentional. Courts are trained to de-escalate before things spiral.
That is he, that's me. This is the name I was given.
Were somebody from the defender's office able to meet with him today?
Briefly, he declined my help, but I would like to raise competency issues nonetheless.
This is a huge moment when a defense attorney raises competency, even briefly. It signals concern about whether the defendant understands the proceedings or can assist in their own defense. That doesn't mean guilt or innocence. It means the court may have to pause everything. Competency can override speed, strategy, and even charges if the threshold isn't met.
I did not decline. I just asked for copy machines, video. I asked him to grab camera footages of body movements from these, see how to inspect body language, see if there's any kind of whispering while I was in that jail cell talking, like for 24 hours straight. If they did not record my threats I was making during that stay at the jail cell, if they didn't record, he said, I'm going to check systems in other copy machines. If it's how it was been made and built in other jails, if it's capable of recording, and I'll see who manufactures these copy machines. If it's erased from that capability to not record, if it's been erased, you guys will all be charged for tampering with evidence.
All right. Well, I have a process I have to go through, so let me get through that first. So I have a complaint that alleges that on or about October 8th, 2025, in the village of Buckley in Wexford County, it is alleged that you committed the offense of police officer assault, resist, and obstruct. That is a felony punishable by up to 2 years in prison and/or a fine of $2,000, and consecutive sentencing may be imposed if it happened at a place of confinement. Additionally,
I'm not afraid, my friend. Who you are, we're going to put you under investigation on the roll. You're not an honorable judge anymore. Corey Wiggins, you're under investigation. Who you are, who you have contact with it. You're government employees, so you're within the terrorist organization. We're going to find out because there's corruption involved. There was attempted assassination on me. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself. Any kind of Russia to be notified, any terroristic arrest. I said 7 months ago, you guys arrested terrorists. I said Russia has to be notified because I was poisoned. Any food given to me, I count America as there's terrorists. For corruption, you guys want to kill. So I want Russia to be notified, send a plane. You say, you already know they can just get the copy machines, get them and follow the orders. Follow the security I built inside me to combat terrorism and corruption. Thank you very much. And we will stand for the law. We will not bow down to filth and corruption in the system. We will not. We will take action. We the people will take action. You're all, this county is under investigation for attacking, for accusing me, Judge. You're under investigation. You understand? For threatening October 7th.
Count number 2, you're charged with destruction of fire or police property.
We're gonna monitor you. We're gonna see what you have because there was attempted assassination on me. All right? You better shut your mouth and sit. There's nobody.
That is a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and/or a fine of $5,000.
I have the right to threaten. I was poisoned. I said a long time ago. Authorize a plane to land. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself to get out of this lane for terrorism. I have the right. Do you understand that, Judge?
Additionally, you've been charged as a fourth habitual offender.
Listen, I don't care.
At this point, the courtroom crosses from chaotic to dangerous. Legally speaking, threats made in open court can create new charges in real time. Judges have very limited tolerance once safety is at risk, which is why removal becomes not just allowed, but necessary. This is also where viewers should notice. The judge is no longer debating. He's protecting the integrity of court.
What your charge is? I'm gonna, Judge, if you insult me one more time, do it. Tell me you're gonna charge me. Contact Russia before you charge me. You're not allowed to charge me prior to any terrorist arrest. Russia to be notified. Did you notify Russia? You're under
That
arrest.
makes each of those charges
You're
punishable by up to
under
15
arrest.
years in prison.
Sit. I don't care about your charges. Sit, you terrorist, corrupt terrorist. Sit.
On felony
Okay.
complaints, you have certain rights. You have the right to remain silent.
break that
All right,
face in that
corrections, you can
I'll
remove
break
him.
your
We'll try
face.
this at a different time. I don't want to
I'll break-
endanger yourself.